Hello, wonderful dancers. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. This is Jenna from Body Art Movement Society, and we're going to be doing Start to Sway for our line dance today. This is a really fun, kind of sassy routine. So when you are ready, let's get started learning those steps. When we begin our dance, we're going to be starting with that left foot. We're going to take a mambo step to the left, and it's going to go left, and hold. Same thing on the right foot, right, and hold. So we're going with the right. It goes left, holding. So we're shifting that weight to that left foot, and we're going to go right, and hold. So those counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking forward, toe strut on the left foot. Toe, heel, toe, heel. So we have 2 toe struts. And then we're going to take a rocking chair or a rocking horse forward with that left foot. So we're going to go left, right, and then we're going to take that same foot, left, right. So that right foot does not move. It's going to stay right where it's at. So it's going to go left, right. All right, let's look at that second 8 count with the toe, heel struts. Toe, heel, toe, heel. That weight is on that right foot. Step forward to the left, step back on the right, step left, step forward on that right foot. All right, let's put those 2 8 counts together from the top, starting with our mambo step to the left. Everything on this, it starts with the left foot first. So we have mambo to the left, mambo to the right, as we toe strut, rocking chair bend. So we end with that right foot. Let's do that again with our counts. 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, how we doing so far? Everyone having a good time? I hope you are. This is one of my favorite dances. This is so much fun to do, especially once the music gets going. Once our music gets going. All right, here we go. From the top, 5, 6, and we got a 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on from here, we're going to take a grapevine to the left. Grapevine with the touch. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine with the touch. Even counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting those 3 8 counts together from the top. Mambo it out. 5, 6, and it goes mambo to the left, mambo to the right, and a toe strut, rocking chair, and grapevine left, grapevine right. Okay, let's finish this off. We're going to take a shuffle to the right. We're going to take a shuffle to the left, and then we're going to do our rock recover with the right foot. Rock recover, or a Lindy step. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. So we're just rocking back on the right foot, shifting that weight forward on the left. Let's do that again. To the left, it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4. To finish, so that weight is on that left foot, we're going to take our right foot. We're going to touch the right foot to the side, touch that right foot back together. We're going to take our right foot here. We're making a quarter turn over our right shoulder to then touch the left foot. So that looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're touching that left foot because then we would start the entire dance again to the left with our mambo. So let's look at that last 8 count, starting with our Lindy or our shuffle rock step to the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both of these are touches. Touch, step, and touch. So that step to make ourselves turn, and then we have our touch with that left foot, bringing ourselves back together. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, and we have a mambo it out, and a mambo it out, and a strut it forward, rocking chair, as we grapevine left, grapevine right, and Lindy to the left, and a touch, step, turn. Mambo to the left, mambo to the right, and a toe strut forward, rocking chair, and grapevine left, grapevine right with the Lindy to the left, and a touch, turn it up, mambo. And a mambo, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it out. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it and 1, 2, 3, 4. Rocking chair and grapevine left, grapevine right. Shuffle in, rock it out and touch, touch, step and turn. And then we would start the dance all over again. Now, here is why this dance I think is really fun and extra challenging for our brains, is because by the 8th round, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to repeat or add a little tag. So a tag is just something that we repeat in the dance to do it again, and then we start the dance all over. So what we're gonna do, we just finished our last 8. This is the 8th time that we have gone around. We're going to repeat the final steps, meaning that we're gonna take our shuffle to the right and a rock it out. We have touch, touch, turn, and step. We're gonna take that again, rock it back and touch, touch, turn, and step, and then we would start the dance again with the mambo. So this is why we really do need to keep not only track of the choreography, but then also the additional step in between. You'll hear it in the music. It does really work well and it flows really well as well. So when you are ready, stay right where you are. I'm going to give you a little aerial view of the footwork, and then we will be dancing to our music. Here's our aerial view of the footwork. We're going to start with that mambo step. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we toe strut, rocking chair step. Grapevine left, grapevine right. As we lindy to the left, rock, recover, touch, touch, turn it out to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo to the left, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine, grapevine, and lindy. And a touch, touch, turn it out, mambo step. 2, toe strut, forward, forward, and a rocking chair, and grapevine left. To the right, and shuffle, rock, recover, and touch, touch, turn it out, mambo. And 2, and take it to the front, and a rocking chair, and grapevine, and shuffle, and touch, touch, turn it out, mambo. 2, to the right, and toe strut, rock it on front, and grapevine, shuffle it out, and a touch, touch, turn it out, mambo step. 2, toe strut, and front, back, front, to our grapevine, to the grapevine. Now we shuffle, and a touch, touch, turn it out, mambo step, mambo out with a toe strut, rocking chair, and grapevine, to the left, touch, touch, turn it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe strut ourselves, rocking chair, and grapevine left, grapevine right, to the left, and we touch, touch, and we have 1. We're getting ready for that tag here, friends, and toe heels, and rocking chair, and grapevine, shuffle, rock it out, and a touch, touch, step, turn, shuffle, and this is that tag that I was talking about. Now we started it over, so we got to really listen to that music, helping us remember that pattern as we go, and grapevine it out, and to the left, and a touch, touch, step, and turn. 1, mambo step. 2, strut it out, and a rocking chair, and a grapevine. and touch, touch, step, turn. Mambo step, and toast, run it up. Find that rocking chair and grapevine, left, touch, touch, step, and turn. And finish right there. Great job with our line dance today. Thank you so much, everybody. Check out that next video.